Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. You can probably tell I'm still a little bit sick. I have extremely bad respiratory issues and have been down for about 4 weeks. So I am so far behind in my boxes, and I thought I would try and film a couple today. I am feeling better, but you can still hear it in my voice, and I apologize for that, but I wanted to get back to filming and sharing what I got. So I did order a Trendmood, and I think this was the mystery box, and it has, I think, all sorts of name brand skincare, maybe makeup items in here. So let's get into it. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm so sorry that you picked when I'm sick to stop by, but I so appreciate it. If you like my channel and its content, please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, you know how much I appreciate your loyalty and all your well wishes for my speedy recovery, which really isn't speedy, but I'm on the road to recovery. So Trendmood, I think they come out, I'm not sure if it's monthly or if it's bi-monthly, but like they have a product, so they might do an Anastasia box, they might do I don't know, just one brand, and they'll put it in a box, and then you can kind of choose if you really want that box, but they kind of sell out quick. And as I said, I believe I ordered a mystery box, so I'm not really sure what's in it. So let's see. They do wrap it very nice in tissue paper, and then they put the little poppy paper in here. So usually I never had an issue with anything broken. And they don't itemize, put a sheet, retail prices or anything in there. And after, I could go look up and see how much everything retails for, but to be honest, I doubt I'll have time to do that. So the first thing is the Glo Skin Beauty, and it's a Bio Renew EGF drops, and it's an epidermal growth factor repairing serum. And it seems like all the beauty boxes, we get a serum. So I am not sure if I will gift this or sell it on my Mercari or put it in a giveaway. But that's what it looks like. And it's a dropper. And I guess it's by Glo. So I'm sure this probably retails for, I'd imagine, like $20-something. And the next item is by Anastasia, and we all know that's a name brand product, so I'm sure this is pricey. And it's the Dewy Set setting spray. This is probably closer to $30, and I'm just guessing. And let's take her out. Now, I'm sure this isn't a full size, but it is a nice size. So I will definitely try and use this product. And it looks like I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products in here. And then we have by Dominique, and it's a lipstick. It's a nude cocoa. So might be able to get away with that. Sorry, I just needed to take a little coughing break there. And the packaging is just beautiful. And it could be one of these magnetic. So let's see. I'm not sure if it's too dark for me. You might be able to lighten it up with the gloss, but it is a very rich color. I'm not gonna swatch it because again, it might not be my color. So you don't wanna waste it. And it is one of those snappy caps. So those are really nice. And I'm sure this retails for in the 20s. And then we got by Nyx the Marshmallow Primer. And I love trying new primers. And if I can, oh, it's all taped up here. So I'm not gonna open it because I have a couple primers going. And I am going to, when I edit it, I am going to go and check and see if I can find the prices on each of these products to see how much they're worth. That primer looks nice. And then we got something that looks like it was ripped a little bit. And this is the Lash It Out Loud Volumizing Mascara in black. And look at this. Those are really nice colors for the tube. So yeah, I will definitely look up prices and I will list them below in the description box so you'll know how much the value of this box is. And then it's odd, but they have the Keratin, which I love, smoothing oil conditioner. Now usually they'll put the shampoo and conditioner in there. They just have the conditioner, so no shampoo. But I do love this brand. And this is a 13 ounce. So this I know is worth its weight in gold. So we got that, and I think there's one more item in there. So I'm kind of bummed I didn't get the shampoo. And we got by e.l.f. the Booster Hydrating Drops. So that is nice. I'm not sure what you do with them, if you put them in something. These concentrated drops can be used alone or added to your foundation or your cream. So yeah, you can add this to your foundation. Oh, maybe I'll give that a try. Let me know below if any of you have tried these in your foundation and if it's changed it, if it's helped it. That's pretty neat. I honestly haven't heard of that. So just to recap what I got in this box, and again, I'm going to try to look up the retail prices. We got the Glow Serum, and then we got the Anastasia Dewey Set, and I know this is probably not a full size. And then we got the e.l.f. mascara. We got the Dominique lipstick. We got the Nyx Marshmallow Primer. And then the e.l.f. booster drops. And I'm really curious to know if anybody's used it in their foundation. And then we got the Keratin conditioner. And again, I'm bummed I didn't get the shampoo. If anybody received this box, let me know if they just got like one or the other. So let me know what you thought of this box. And I think I paid $39.99 or something for this mystery box. So yeah, let me know what you think. And sorry I sounded so nasally, but I wanted to get back to filming. And I still watch everybody's YouTube. So, as always, you guys have an awesome day.